Okay, here's the last video segment of the windshield repair using the Permatex. I've had the car out for about an hour in hot weather, probably about 80 degrees out there in the sunlight. So sadly enough, I can still see the crack. If I look at the finished product here, I still see something right in the middle here. So I'm going to try and grab this thing, and the guy was saying twist this thing off, so I'm going to try and twist it. And it came right off. Yeah, there's still a divot right in the middle. Take the razor blade and shave off any kind of leftover resin. Here's the blade here. So there is some resin still. I don't want to really go too far into that. Actually, they were saying to scrape it off like this. Okay. I can't say that I love the outcome of this, but if the windshield does not crack, I'll be happy. So there's the actual original divot. Gonna kind of get it off down here. So I know I spilled a bunch down here. There we go. Here's the actual impact. Let's get a towel and clean that up a little bit. I guess I'm not too prepped, am I? You know, you do things one hand and it's like a nightmare. Okay. Boy, it's here is rough. So there's still resin showing. Not too happy about that. Yeah, it's a real mess. I still see the crack. So yeah, this is not going too well, people. Okay, back to it. The razor blade sort of once gets stuck into the hole. I can see where the resin is stuck on here. And it kind of wants to dig into the hole too, so I don't know how good this is going to work. Okay, there we go. Let's get some of that resin off of there. How's it looking now? There's still a bit of a crack there. Looks better. Of course the phone won't focus on it. So I think if this causes the car not to crack anymore, the windshield not to crack, I'll be happy with that. I don't really care if it has a... I don't care if you can see the hole still. What I care about is the crack not expanding. And of course, doing this in one hand is not the best. Okay, that's probably all I'm going to do with this thing for now. I'm not going to continue to clean it up. I'm just going to leave it the way it is. Unless it's really obtrusive inside the car. Let's take a look on the inside now. See how it looks. Okay, on the inside. Having trouble even seeing where it was. There's so much goop out there. So obviously, I have to clean off a lot more. What I'm going to do is let the resin sit and cure for a couple days and then clean it off. And go for that. So, I wish I could see where the crack was. From the inside, I can't tell. Okay, it's right there, I think. No. From the inside, it's really hard to see this thing. So obviously, okay, I can see it now. The crack is right there. This stuff might work pretty good. Okay. I want to let it cure for a couple days and then work with it later. I'm trying to see if I can see the crack. I think it's right here. I think it's right there. But it's hard to see now, which is good. So that made a pretty good difference. It made a pretty darn good difference. I need to get the rest of that stuff off of there. Okay, well, thanks for watching. This stuff does work. I'm not sure how long it will stand the test of time, but it works. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.